Hey guys, I'm Ann Frymark and I'm the teen programmer here at the Amy Sanders Library. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make paper snowflakes. So as you can tell on my table, I make all different kinds using different colors. I like a very colorful winter theme, so I always try and get a bunch of different blues and purples and white. So today all you'll need is some scissors and then whatever color paper you want or white paper. And this is just letter size paper that you can find at a craft store, in your printer, wherever. So go ahead and take a minute now and go gather your materials. Alright guys, now that you've gathered your paper, the first thing you're going to do is start cutting, of course. For letter size paper, that is a rectangle and that's not actually what we need. To create the circular shape of the snowflake, you're going to need to take it and cut it into a square. So the way I do this is taking the top corner of the paper and fold it down till it lines up to the side. And just crease it down so that kind of got a line formed here. And so I will just cut along here. And then I actually set this aside. I'll show you later what you can do with that. So you've kind of got a nice triangle. As we unfold it, we've got our square. So kind of fold it back over, and then what you're going to do is fold it in half. Create a smaller triangle. Then kind of pull this towards the middle, where it kind of lines up in the center, fold down again, so we kind of have that shape going. And then grab again, pull the bottom up to where it lines up with the top. So that's kind of what we have. And then flip it over, and you're going to trim right along here. So we're going to get rid of the little ears. Then this is where the fun happens. This is where you can start creating different patterns. This of course will be the top of your snowflake. Right here is kind of the middle. I don't ever usually follow very many different patterns. I usually just like to cut whatever shapes I want and go crazy, and it's always fun to find out what I'm going to end up with. So let me just cut some stuff real quick. And then always be careful when you're cutting. Keep in mind you need to leave somewhere where the snowflake connects, otherwise your snowflake's going to end up just in pieces. And then once you're done cutting whatever pattern is you wanted to do, you just simply unfold it, and of course be careful so you don't rip it. And you have a snowflake. So as you can kind of see with the different ones I have here, I try all sorts of shapes. With here, I actually was just a little curve, so I got that nice little kind of leaf oval shape from that. And then with your spare little sheet of paper, I always like to make mini snowflakes. I don't like to waste paper. So you can just do the exact same thing we did with the larger sheet of paper. You just take it and fold the corner down cut it, and then you just do exactly the same thing. We'll fold it into a smaller triangle, and then fold to the center, and then fold the bottom to the top, and then you flip it over and you've got the little tiny ears that you'll trim off. And then same deal, just carefully cut into it with whatever pattern you want to do. And then again, just like with the larger one, you simply just have to carefully unfold it at the end. And now you have a cute little mini snowflake. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you're interested in making a bunch of different snowflakes, we will have a lot of different color paper as well as patterns in most of our December activity bags for teens. So check them out.